Okay, so a very important skill in grade 6 is to be able to convert between decimals, percentages, and fractions. So the first one, they've actually given us the percentage, 62.5%, and we need to work that out as a decimal and as a fraction. So first of all, let's think about what 62.5% actually means. I'm just going to write it below, but that actually means 62.5 over 100, because a percentage does mean over 100. Now that is a fraction, but we usually don't like to have any commas in a fraction, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to times the top by 10 to move that comma 1 to the right, and that means we have to times the 10 at the bottom so that we keep it as an equivalent fraction, and that's just going to become 625 over 1,000. So that's the answer. We can fill that in as the fraction, 625 over 1,000, and that should also be fairly straightforward now in terms of thinking it as a decimal, because 625 over 1,000, we're just going to have 600 and 0.625, because that's just a straight conversion from fractions to decimals. And then the second one, we have 0.05 as a decimal, and we know that 5 in the decimal, that represents hundredths, so that means that this is 5 hundredths. So as a fraction, that should be relatively straightforward. We're just going to write that as 5 hundredths, and as we know, percentages mean a percentage is a hundredth, so it must just be 5%, and we're done.